Hi, my name is John Skiba, and I'm an attorney in the state of Arizona, and I help people with their debt problems. Lately, I've been researching success rates of Chapter 13 bankruptcy cases. And while there's data from all over the place, from state to state, and from year to year, it seems that the national success rate of Chapter 13 bankruptcy cases is somewhere around 33%. In some states, it's dramatically lower than that, some states dramatically higher. This begs the question, why? Many experienced and super smart bankruptcy attorneys across the nation swear by the Chapter 13 and that it benefits both clients and their lawyers. But if 75% of those who start a Chapter 13 bankruptcy are not able to realize their end goal, is there a true benefit? Chapter 13 bankruptcy is a powerful tool. It has much more in the way of tools to help you do things like save your house that's in foreclosure, reduce the amount you pay on that car loan that in hindsight wasn't that great of a purchase. In Chapter 13, you generally get to keep your stuff, even if it's not protected by the exemption laws in your state. There are many virtues in a Chapter 13, but the failure rate is high. Here are a few of the reasons I see in my practice why Chapter 13 bankruptcy cases aren't successful. The first is that life happens. Chapter 13 cases last anywhere from 3 to 5 years. That's a long time. Think back to all that's occurred in your life and the lives of your family members over the last 5 years. During your bankruptcy case, you're undoubtedly going to deal with unexpected expenses, job loss, pay reductions, marriage, divorce, death, birth, you name it, people will go through it. Many times these changes have a negative impact on the cash flow in your home. And when your monthly Chapter 13 plan payment isn't made, your case ends up being dismissed or converted to a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. If you're proactive and keep your bankruptcy attorney in the loop, which you should do, many times these tough spots can be dealt with and keep your case on track. Other times it just simply isn't going to work anymore. Number 2 is going it alone. Now this one's going to sound somewhat self-serving, but it's true. The people who attempt to wade the rough waters of Chapter 13 without the benefit of a lawyer rarely succeed. The last numbers I saw told a pretty grim tale. Less than 1% of cases where debtors were not represented by a bankruptcy lawyer were successful in having their plan approved by the court. One of the bankruptcy trustees here in Arizona told a group of us that she had not seen any unrepresented Chapter 13 cases be successful. None. Chapter 13 bankruptcy is a complex process. There's a lot of potholes for the people who are really unaware. If you're needing a Chapter 13 case, hire a lawyer. Chapter 13 allows you to pay attorney's fees over the life of your case, and usually you can find an attorney to help you out for a relatively small amount up front. The third reason is the bankruptcy trustees. Each bankruptcy case is assigned to a trustee. In Chapter 13 bankruptcy cases, the trustee is required to administer your case and distribute your payments to your creditors under the provisions of the Bankruptcy Code. While the Bankruptcy Code rules the day, it is surprising how different the procedures are. Even your ability to get your own case approved, known as being confirmed in bankruptcy lingo, is depending upon which trustee you get. Here in Arizona, there are 3 Chapter 13 trustees. Each of them have a different approach and interpretation of the law and how it's going to apply to your situation. Sometimes the trustee you draw when your case is filed will have a huge impact on whether your particular case is successful. As I said earlier, Chapter 13 bankruptcy definitely has its place. It has powerful tools that you simply can't get in a Chapter 7. But as you contemplate filing a Chapter 13 case, you need to mentally prepare yourself for the fact that it is not a quick fix solution to your debt problems. It's going to take dedication on your part and an understanding that you're in this for the long haul. But if you work closely with your lawyer and remain committed to the process, you should do just fine. If you have any questions on Chapter 13 bankruptcy, you can check out more videos here on my website or give me a call, 480-420-4028, or my email address here at skibalaw.com. Thanks for watching.